Oh,
Why
she
would you?
forced him. Oi,
Oh,
it's
it
growing.
keeps getting bigger.
The sword?
Is it bad? Girl, you need to chill.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh no!
Hey guys, my name is Lucy.
And my name is Shuni.
And today we'll be reacting to episode number 6 of Chainsaw Man Kill Denji.
Oh, kill Denji?
Yeah.
Is it like...
Kill mode Denji?
No. Someone wants to kill him.
I guess it would be that devil that has a bullet.
The one that was in the building?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's kind of the usual. Devils want to do that.
Or maybe this one gets close.
Okay. It sounds to me that it's not like the devil wants to kill Denji, like something else.
Something or someone else wants to kill Denji.
Maybe.
Could be, yeah. He was very excited, Denji, to just go and kill this thing.
Yeah.
I'm just wondering how it's gonna go. So, yeah, I just hope his excitement lasts.
Maybe we get to see these new characters' powers, abilities.
In action, at
Right.
least. Yeah.
But I want to see what the shy girl can do.
Yeah, I bet it's really good. That's usually the case.
Yeah. So we'll start watching the episode right now. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified every time that we upload a new reaction. And if you want to help us a bit further, you have the link to our Patreon down in the description, and there you have our reactions with extended cuts, no fadings, and a few episodes ahead of YouTube.
This video was brought to you by your Patreons. Thank you so much for helping us grow. To have access to all these exclusive rewards, check out the link in the description down below. Enjoy the video!
Yeah, right.
今階段降りていったよね小紅ちゃんダブルピースでじっとしてて
Huh?
She's trying to see it for herself.
アキくんなんだこりゃ
悪魔の力でしょうね。小紅、そこに立ってろ。
Poor Kobeni. What's weird about this?
窓の向こうにも部屋が。
Oh, there's another room on the other side of the window. That is weird.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, but he's on the other side. It's a trap, like a maze,
Right, it's like a maze.
but like a psychedelic.
They can't
Maze.
escape the 8th floor.
Yeah. I mean, the only way to escape is
Killing
to
the devil.
kill the devil. Did they say what devil was it that they have to fight right now?
I don't think so. I guess
I wonder.
they don't know.
Denji's just like ready to go sleep.
天井を登ってみたが、上も8階だった。
パワーがさっきの悪魔殺しちまったからじゃねえのか。
ルヌが殺せと言ったんじゃ
言ってね
I did not.
悪魔が死ねば解除されるから。
Okay, good to know.
さっきの悪魔をおとりにまんまとはめられたってわけかこんなトリッキーなことしてくる悪魔初めてだ
So it's a smart one.
他のデビルハンターが助けに来てくれるんじ
そのデビルハンターが私たちみたいにはめられないことを祈る
Yeah, they have no way to warn them.
全員ここで死んじゃうんだ
No, you're not.
ここで死んじゃうんだ
ゃ。コベリちゃん、キョレ、デビルハンターやって兄を大学に行かせたいんだろ。
半分無理やりなんです
That's awful.
風俗かデビルハンターしか選択肢なかったんです
Hi.
Oh, I would hate to be in her position. Oh, that's so awful. Don't laugh, Power. If I were a devil, I would be laughing too.
Probably.
アキくんまでどうしたの
部屋の時計、さっきから8時18分です。
Oh,
Okay, okay.
この8階だけ、悪魔の力で時間が止まっている可能性があります。その場合、助けは来ないかもしれません。
oh no.
すげえじゃあ寝放題じゃね
バカか貴様は。俺たちはここで永遠に閉じ込められるかもしれないんだぞ。
Well, then you might as well have a good time.
分かったら起こしてこんないいベッドがあんだ寝なきゃ損だね
falling asleep for real.
Yeah. Well, what can he do, to be
Right.
honest?
え
Right.
っと
Yeah.
And he's been in so many awful situations that he can sleep whenever, wherever. Especially with a bed like that.
8階から出られるようになったんすか？
残念ながらまだ無理っぽい。アキくんはずーっと悪魔探してる。新井くんも最初こそアキくんを手伝ってたんだけど、今は状況に怖がって部屋に閉じこもってる。
Oh,
Oh, that's
no.
おかし
awful.
くなってトイレの水を飲もうとしたから
What?
気絶させた。
Ew.
Yeah, what about power?
わしは暇だからノーベル賞を考えておった。
What?
What?
その後はノーベル賞を踏み台にわしは総理大臣になる。
What?
She's delusional.
Yeah.
いつも通りっすね。
ならよかった。3人で小紅ちゃんとライトを飲んだら最後のタバコ。
Oh, no.
それあいつと同じタバコじゃん。
そりゃあアキくんにタバコの味を教えたのは私だもん。
アキくんは吸わないの？
骨が腐るから吸わない
I would say for your lungs, not well, maybe your bones as well.
For your general health.
Yeah.
銃の悪魔を殺すためでしょ。
Young Aki.
Yeah.
デビルハンターなんて短命なんだから吸っちゃえばいいのに。
俺は簡単には死なない
I wonder what changed. Who is that?
あれは前のバディの彼女さ。
Oh.
何してきたの？
What did he do?
殴ったやつの服にこっそりガムつけてやったあいつは服についてるガムに気づかず生きていくんだ
It's so nice to see them like this.
Yeah.
And then you remember that they are trapped.
Yeah, and then you remember, for example, that something changed for Aki. Probably he thinks he's going to die soon, so that's why he started smoking.
Right.
For what she said, at least.
Yeah.
Or he's prepared to die, at least, I don't know.
I was thinking the other time that his deal with the Fox Devil is very inconvenient. Not like the ghost contract that she has, because she has already given something.
Yeah.
And she can use that arm whenever she wants. But for Aki, he has to give every time that he uses the power.
Yeah.
It could be an eye, it could be his heart.
Yeah.
I guess the Fox Devil doesn't want him to die because that way he wouldn't get all of these things.
Free meals.
Yeah. Well, not free, he has to work for them.
Well, yeah.
But I was just thinking how inconvenient it was for him to have a contract like that. But I guess the Fox Devil is very, very powerful, so it's worth it.
And now they have to escape somehow the situation.
Yeah.
This whole hotel and how it looks gives me the vibes of back rooms. It's a creepypasta, and there are a lot of places, and they are kind of like that. They look empty, some of them look creepy, some of them look nice, you could say, but still creepy, and there are some creatures.
I don't get it. Is it like a game or something?
No, I don't know how to call it.
Story?
Yeah, it's a story.
Okay.
It's not real.
Yeah. Because what this reminds me of is those escape the room games. Maybe sometimes you're in a hotel like this and you just can't go anywhere.
Yeah,
You
but
have to
you
find
have-
a way to escape.
No.
It's not blocked by some devil magic. It's blocked by a key, but you have to find a way, and it looks very similar.
But you have those activities to do to get out. It's not like
Yeah.
you are really trapped, and that's why
I don't think they are really trapped, though. I think they are going to find a way out.
Yeah, obviously, but
There
now
is-
they are trapped.
Always a way out.
Yeah, but
Yeah, when you don't have the key, you're trapped as well.
yeah, but I don't know. It just reminded me of that, because of the maze thing. Some of these back rooms, you open a door and you are in another back room, or you are in the same back room but somewhere else. So yeah.
頭のネジがぶっ飛んでるやつだって。
Huh.
だからアキくんは長生きできそう。
じゃ りゃ嫌味か。
Kind of.
豆腐いらないならもらうぞ。
一本あげる。
Oh,
Why
she
would you?
forced him.
長い付き合いになりそうだから知ってほしいな。
It doesn't have to be like that.
一本だけ吸ってやる。
Oh,
一生で吸うタバコはこの一本だけだ。
You're right.
タバコ残ってます。
残念。これ最後の一本。
じゃあそれくださいよ。
キスだずるい関節キス
Indirect kiss.
俺たちが殺した悪魔がいたろ。そいつがどんどん大きくなってる。
So it's not dead.
確かにわしが殺したはずじゃ。
What about the bullet? Does it react now?
契約だと。
oh, you were right.
That's what the title meant with
Yeah.
Kill Denji.
But now maybe someone's gonna want to do it. Power, for example.
Oh, the guy with having a panic attack?
Oh,
Oh no!
食わせろ。
Oh.
Kobeni.
Oh,
Yeah, I figured. Well, she's scared out of her mind.
yeah.
I get it.
うっさいな。アキくん、狐で飲み込めば終わるんじゃない？
コン。やっぱり狐は来ません。
No.
私のゴーストでやるか。
Oh. Okay. Oi.
Oh,
It's growing.
getting bigger. Yeah. Why?
Oh.
だからデンジ君を殺せば出られるのは本当だよ。
No one's gonna kill him. He's gonna get them all out of there.
Yeah, but someone's gonna try to kill him. Well,
Someone has already tried.
yeah.
It was a very
Naive.
successful try, but it was a try.
わしは殺すはじゃ。
とにかくデンジは殺さない。俺たちはデビルハンター。殺すのは悪魔だけだ。どうしようもなくなったら刀を使います。
それはダメ。
The sword?
Is it bad?
どうしようもなくなっても刀は使わない。
Then why does he have it?
Yeah.
ない。ベッドに
Power.
Yeah.
全部ない。
Yeah. I know.
その魔人の力で8階から出られない。
Oh.
She's living in a nightmare.
Oh, oh. Oh.
Oh, they reacted with the scream? I'm saying they. I guess it's just one devil. But...
Yeah, it's one. Oh.
Oh. Girl, you need to chill.
Yeah. Everyone.
Someone hug her.
Eternity Devil.
Well, that's scary.
And cool.
Yeah.
Inception.
Eternity is a big word.
Yeah, it's a big word. Cool Devil.
Yeah. This girl, Kobeni, needs to chill.
Yeah.
Someone has to comfort her. I don't think she can get out of that headspace on her own.
No, but everyone is scared now because of the
Yeah.
screams. So that's why the devil got bigger.
Yeah. They should all just meditate.
Yeah,
Choose
good
a
idea.
room, a nice one, and probably they have a phone. Just put some music on Spotify and just chill. Align the chakras.
I like the chakras.
Settle down your auras. You guys, you can do it.
But for real, what can they do?
I guess that's the only way.
Chilling.
Yeah, at least to calm it down and then doing something. Trying to find its heart.
What about the sword?
Yeah, that was weird.
Mysterious.
Yeah, mysterious, that's the word. If you are not planning to ever using it, why would you have it?
He has it for an emergency, I guess.
Well, but this is an emergency and they wouldn't even use it for an emergency.
Mm-hmm. An extreme emergency.
Maybe it kills him to use it.
You think?
Yeah, because Himeno doesn't want him to use it.
Yeah.
I bet she would have Denji die instead of Aki. maybe with that he can save everyone else but him.
Yeah,
So that's why Himeno doesn't want him to use it.
probably.
Because he's the one that survived from all her partners.
Yeah, yeah. And I guess they have a special bond
Yeah.
too.
I don't really like what she did to him. Like, she coerced him into smoking.
Yeah.
Which is so messed up.
Yeah.
Usually people who smoke don't want you to start smoking.
Yeah,
So
true.
that's weird. Indirect kiss.
Indirect kiss.
Denji makes it all about it.
Yeah.
Well, it's a big thing, the indirect kisses in Japan. Like,
Oh, is it?
a water bottle or
Oh, okay.
something. Like, a Japanese person would lose their minds when they see a mate.
Right, I was thinking about
Yeah.
that.
You're indirect kissing
Everyone.
a lot of people.
Yeah, all your friends.
Yeah.
And family.
Yeah. Which is very weird if you
Yeah.
think it. If you think about it like that.
Yeah.
But it's a cultural thing, so
Mhm.
I understand it would be weird for them,
Yeah.
as it's weird for us to think about it like that.
Yeah.
Please, someone take the knife. This girl's hand.
Right, it's dangerous. She can hurt herself.
Yeah.
Oh.
刀を使ういいですよね姫野先輩
Oh.
使うと契約でアキ君の寿命がかなり
Okay, a lot of years.
I bet Denji's gonna go. Oh.
Oh no!
Well, not the side of the heart, but still very dangerous.
No.
It was deep. He's not gonna die.
確かにそいつは刺されても仕方のない胸くその悪い野郎だが10の悪魔を殺そうとしている俺一人じゃ10の悪魔を殺せないんだ
Oh.
そう殺すには立ち向かう機会のある
Oh, I love this.
I love this.
I mean, I don't love that he's being stabbed.
No. I'm worried.
天地は殺させない
Oh.
Thank you, Aki.
お前血の魔人なんだろこいつの血止められるか
わしが自由に操れるのは自分の血だけじゃ他人の血は難儀じゃ
Okay, you
But,
can do
but you
it.
could try.
No, no, he's not dying.
Someone take the knife out of that girl.
Oh, stop it.
じゃあ食われてやら
Yeah, I bet he's gonna do it.
でも俺も抵抗すっからよ
But now Aki received
もし
a
俺が悪魔
stab
をぶ
for
っ殺す
nothing.
ようなことがあった
If I manage to kill this devil.
まだ忘れてねえからな
Ah.
算段があるのか
クソい
Just go
チェーンソーになる
wild.
Oh.
あの悪魔なんだか知らねえが俺のチェーンソーにビビってやがる
Huh.
だったらよあいつが死にたくなるまで痛めつけて自殺させりゃいい
悪魔みたいな発想じゃな
Nah.
俺をかばいやがって余計なことすんじゃねえよクソ
Oh.
その出れたら貸し借りなしだからな
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah.
So scary.
Wow. No.
It ended.
No.
Oh, the stairs.
Awesome.
Yeah. It's very interesting. I think I've never heard of an anime doing this with their endings.
Wow.
There's probably a lot of them, but I haven't seen any.
Okay. So, I thought Denji was feeding himself to the devil, but no.
I mean, he kind of is, but he's gonna go fighting.
Yeah, right.
He has a plan,
right.
but he's still jumping into kind of his death, you could say.
Yeah. But I was like, now Aki's been stabbed for nothing. If you're just saying, okay, I'll do this, he'll eat me, and that's it, you're free. But no, it's not for nothing. Because he will make it worse, I guess.
I guess Denji jumped because of what Aki did.
But
Because of...
jumped, yeah, but jumped to go fight.
Yeah, so it's not for nothing because
Yeah.
it's not like it would be his corpse going into this devil's stomach. Like this girl Kobeni was trying to do.
Yeah.
It's him fighting for it.
Yeah.
It's very different. Even if he does die, it's him going for it because Aki tried to save him. That's what I got.
Thank God we're watching another episode after
Yes,
this.
right.
Because now I just can't wait to see what he does, what happens, and I want to see Aki recovering.
He's gonna be fine. I
Yeah.
bet he's gonna be fine.
Yeah.
Like, I don't get why no one's taking the knife out of that girl. Because girl, like, you should know. Everyone should know. This girl can't have a knife on her hands right now. She would herself
Yeah.
in that state. So, well, maybe we'll have to blur the herself part. I don't know.
Now we know about the sword. What,
Yeah.
what it is, like what that contract is. They said a lot of years,
Yeah.
but we don't know exactly how many.
Yeah.
Because
Does
it could be
he know?
right. Good question. It could be like 15 years. It's a lot of years,
Yeah.
but he would still get to live.
We don't know.
For
Maybe
a while.
he would die in 5 years, right? And if the devil takes 15, you're dead.
Does it work like that?
I guess. Maybe it's like a percentage. You have 5 years left to live, and then the devil takes 10% of that time, or a 50%. So I guess that's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notified every time that we upload a new reaction. Also, you have the link to our Patreon down in the description if you want to help us a bit further. And there you have our reactions with extended cuts, no fadings, and some episodes ahead of YouTube. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.